Hello guys, welcome to Fred Gym. Today I'm here to present a beautiful video of C program. So here's a program where we find the value of ASCII codes, right? So, for example, we have A. We know that A is equal to 65, right? 65, right? But how would we know the all values of ASCII code? I mean, every character in the keyboards has own ASCII values. So how to find it? For example, if you want to for any character from keyboards, just enter that word, that character, and it will show you the exact ASCII value of that character. So here I'm gonna create a program, right? First of all, here go make a code. So first of all, we want to create a variable with the name of A, right? So here go give first we want to print a message, right? Here I'm gonna print a message. I say that here enter any character, right? Character from keyboard, right? Now here gives value scanf percent c, as we have declared a character variable, right? Here in percent a, right? Go down and here make a condition. Here make a condition. Here in condition I expressed it if a greater or equal to 0, because the 55 characters in the keyboard. So that's why I say that it start from 255, right? If a greater, yeah, equal to 0, or here I use logical operator or, okay, and then go again, and then go ahead. I mean, if again said that if a less than, yeah, equal to 255, right? Here why I said that a must be less than 255, right? Because there are 255 characters in the keyboard, right? So it all of them has own ASCII codes. So how to print them one by one, or if you want a simple just only one, so it can print anything for you. Okay, just try. Here I'm gonna say that display the result, right? Printf percent d, sorry, yes, the ASCII value of percent c equal to percent d, right? A and A, right? I want both of them, right? Here we go. So we want to check out any errors. If there's any errors, it will show here. Please wait for a minute. My laptop doesn't work first. Yeah, I want to find the ASCII value of 3, right? It will show the ASCII value of 3 is equal 1, 5 1, right? And then I want to print the ASCII value of W, right? Here we said it W is equal to thing you can put, and it will say that the ASCII value of that character is